Welcome back to Bikereview Max, your go-to channel for all things and beyond. Today, we're diving into one of the most futuristic and ambitious concepts ever introduced in personal transportation, the Volonaut Airbike. The Volonaut Airbike is a revolutionary hybrid between a motorcycle and a personal aerial vehicle. Designed with vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities, it pushes the boundaries of what a bike can be. It's not just about riding on the road anymore. This machine lets you take to the skies, design and build. With a carbon fiber body and ultralight aerospace materials, the Airbike combines strength and agility. The aerodynamic structure allows it to seamlessly shift between ground and aerial modes. Its foldable propellers and compact frame make it surprisingly portable for an aircraft-grade machine. Power and performance. The Airbike is powered by an electric propulsion system, supported by high-capacity lithium-air batteries. On ground, it functions like an electric superbike. In flight, its quad-rotor setup gives it a stable hover and directional flight at speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour. The ride time averages 40 minutes in air mode and over 100 kilometers on the ground. Safety and control. Volonaut has built the Airbike with a focus on safety. Features include auto-stabilization, emergency landing protocols, and AI-assisted controls. Riders can choose manual or autonomous modes, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced pilots. The Volonaut Airbike isn't just a concept. It's a